The IRS coming under increasing pressure to find the emails it claims just vanished. Poof. Victim to a hard drive crash. Well, this week a federal judge will hold a hearing on a conservative group's request to investigate the missing emails. The group is called True the Vote, and its founder and chair, Catherine Engelbrecht, joins us. Good evening.
Good evening.
So you want a hearing, or you've asked for a hearing from the judge. It's Judge Reggie Walton, a federal district court judge here in Washington. What do you want from him?
We are very hopeful that the judge will allow us to bring forensic scientists in to come and try to recover these mysteriously lost emails. And we're very hopeful that that's going to happen, and it will introduce a whole new chapter into this ongoing drama.
Do you believe that the IRS, that it accidentally or inadvertently had a crashed hard drive and these emails are unattainable, or do you think that there's something dirtier and more deliberate?
I absolutely would agree that there is something far more dirty and deliberate at play here. You know, every piece of electronic correspondence leaves a digital signature. I think the question is, do they want to find it? And to this point, that answer is no. We believe forensic scientists are going to help edge them in a different direction.
Well, I'll tell you what I think you have Ryan for you. I've tried Casey for Judge Reggie Walton. He's a no-nonsense type judge, and he's not afraid of the government. And apparently one of the reasons that the IRS is so slow to answer your questions, according to the Wall Street Journal, it says the IRS lawyers have argued in court papers that litigation isn't far enough along to start discovery. Discovery meaning your ability to get this information. Well, you filed your case about a year ago, so I don't think Judge Walton's going to buy that one. I mean, he's just not going to buy that. He's not that type of judge that can get rolled by the IRS.
Well, I mean, this is common sense. Yeah, I don't think that there's many an American that at this point believes that those emails just mysteriously vanished and they're incapable of finding them. I can assure you that if I get audited, which could happen any day now, if I told them that I had lost all my emails and that I just couldn't come up with the records I needed to file my taxes, that wouldn't stand. I'd still be held accountable, and so should the IRS be held accountable for their lapse in judgment.
You know, I am not. Look, I think it's weird that they disappeared and that it's Lois Lerner's and it's all the emails during the relevant time. I am not convinced, though, that it was deliberate. Now, but I do believe one thing. I do believe that you're entitled to investigate it. You have a lawsuit, and you're entitled to discovery, and you should have aggressive discovery. So I'm certainly, I stand behind you on that one. I'm just not, I mean, with the timeline, I guess I don't think people are smart enough to know how to crash their hard drives. But anyway, I'm anxious to see what your discovery provides, and I think Judge Walton's going to give you the relief you want. Like I said, he's just not a nonsense type guy.
Well, we're very optimistic, and we intend to do all we can to introduce this new opportunity that I think all of Americans are ready to hear. We're ready to get to the bottom of this ongoing scandal and move on to something else.
Well, I agree. I think we need to get to the bottom of it, because that certainly will end it either way. That I hope you do get to the bottom of it, whatever way the chips may fall. Catherine, thank you, and I hope you come back after you have your hearing with Judge Walton.
Thanks so much.